Welcome, my dear friend, to another episode of Money Back Mindfulness. I'm your host, Mamoon. If you're feeling stressed, insecure, anxious, depressed, overwhelmed, just fed up with this whole life, fed up with people, fed up with circumstance, fed up with failing, falling short, not being good enough. This feeling of just not being enough. Know that you're not alone in that feeling. I certainly can relate, empathize with not always feeling like I'm enough. Today, we're gonna take some deep breaths and see if we can release some of these insecurities that we're holding on to, these self-limiting beliefs that we carry, the fears, the tension, the anger. We're gonna take some deep breaths and use our minds in our service. If you're anything like me, the mind can be working against you, creating storylines that don't really serve, but instead get in the way. It's natural. It's part of being human. If you're in immense suffering today, it's part of being human. Putting the past to the side for a few moments, putting the future to the side for a few moments, closing your eyes. You're safe to close the eyes. Bring the attention inwards and start to observe the tensions in the body, the tensions in the mind, the anxiety, and see if you can just witness it without pushing it away. Taking a deep breath in through the nose and exhaling out the mouth. Breathing in new life, new energy. And exhaling. Breathing in love. Exhaling fears. Breathing in trust. Exhaling all worries. Feeling worry leave the mind, leave the body. Breathing in strength. Exhaling this thought that I can't do this, I'm not good enough, letting it go with a big sigh. Breathing in a calm, relaxed energy. And exhale. exhaling any tensions, any negativity, feeling it leave the mind, leave the body. Dropping the shoulders. Relaxing your belly, relaxing your face. Inhaling through the nose and exhale out the mouth. Breathing in through the nose and exhaling out the mouth. Breathing in new life, new energy. Exhale. Inhaling and exhaling. Becoming aware of this present moment, letting go of anger, letting go of resentment, letting go of the past, letting go of the future. As you feel rooted in your body, rooted in this present moment. Relaxing the belly, relaxing the face, looking inside. Breathing in slower and softer. Holding the breath at the top. And exhaling. Breathing in trust. Holding that trust inside, feeling it fill your body, your whole body filling up with trust, and exhaling. You're safe to close the eyes, to continue looking inwards, witnessing and welcoming all that's inside as you breathe in love. Holding that love inside, feeling the love fill up your body with the warm, pleasant energy, and exhaling. Visualizing this love spreading through your belly, through your heart, through your face, bringing a smile to the face, knowing that love is already here for you. If your mind has been wanting to think, now is the time to let your mind think. Following the sound all the way to the end. Taking a deep breath in, holding the breath inside, and exhaling. Very nice, my friend. Way to stick with it. Sometimes when we do this mindfulness practices, there can be so many things distracting us. Those distractions are not really against the practice, but to strengthen the focus, the awareness. So that when you get into a chaotic situation, you can keep the mindfulness, keep the awareness. Taking a deep breath in, and a deep breath out. Relaxing your shoulders, relaxing the jaw, the lips, the forehead. Remembering that trust is your superpower. Trusting in the unknown, trusting in the uncertainties, trusting in the insecurities, trusting in the ups and downs of life. Taking a breath in through the mouth this time. And exhaling. The color for today is red. The number is 52. And the animal is a zebra. Taking a clean breath in through the nose. And exhale. Thank you for joining me today across time and space. Sending you a big hug. Wishing you patience on your path. To stay persistent. To stay aware. When things get shaky or uncomfortable, overwhelming, stay patient. Stay grounded. Listening to the sounds of birds. Feeling the sun on your skin. Drinking water. Feeling the wind. Just be present. Be sensitive. Not in the sense of getting easily bothered, but listening, looking with your eyes, really looking, really feeling the sensation of touch, the sensation of the breath coming in and out. Remember to breathe, remember to smile. There's immense power in breathing and smiling through the pain that you feel. And with that, I'll see you back here tomorrow with love.